Hey guys, it's your girl Simply China. Today I'm back with another great video. First and foremost, I'm gonna say I'm recording this whole entire video on my iPhone 11 Pro. Basically, I just uploaded, if you guys didn't get a chance to see, a video of me comparing the iPhone 11 Pro camera quality with my camera quality. So this is just a really nice way. This is just a really nice way for you guys to also see from a makeup perspective how the camera holds up. But I'm also doing an unboxing. So this is the unboxing. This is gonna be for, I'm trying to be as tall as I can. This is gonna be for Kylie Jenner's Balmain palette. So I'm gonna do like a simple, cute eye look. And this is how it came. Now the tea about this situation that I wanna talk about is the fact that I paid for shipping and it just took a long time to get here. Like it took a week and about, I got it today, so like a week and a day or two. And I kind of was a little upset because I got a little discount code, because when you go to Kylie's site for the first time, if you don't know this, when you go to her site for the first time, you actually get requested to sign up for the mailing list, and you get a 10% discount. Now, 10% normally covers the amount of the shipping fee, basically, because when you apply the 10%, you don't get you basically don't get the free shipping. So I was just really kind of livid because I was like, okay, I'm gonna pay for the shipping, it's gonna come super fast. I didn't get it, and I really wanted to be like the first set of people to review it. That's why I made sure like I was on the site as soon as it dropped. But it's okay, it's here now, and we're just gonna get to it. So this is what's in the box. This cute, I guess, see if you guys can see that. This is what's in the box. And she has, this is the receipt, all my information. She wrote out this. I'm gonna read this to you guys. Good choice. Love these products you picked. Hope you enjoy them as much as I do. XOXO Kylie. I think this right here, a lot of people don't know this, but like I'm a stickler for packaging, and I just think presentation is key. And I mean, obviously I know she didn't physically write this, and girl, if she did, like I'm holding on to some serious merch. But like I know she wrote this, I mean, in the sense that it's probably printed across all these like cute little cards. So she didn't handwrite each individual one of them. Obviously that would take like days, and she ain't got time for that. So I really appreciate even just this thank you letter for any vendor that I buy stuff from or anything like that. This is adorbs. I'm so excited, you guys. This is so fire. Look at that. And I'm going to Miami for Miami Carnival, so this is about to be my best friend. I'm about to be posting crazy on Instagram, you guys. So just definitely, if you're not following me, go and follow me. I'm going to be doing something completely different, coming out of my element. You guys know I love colors. I'm literally like a unicorn in the spirit. So I'm about to go insane with this palette. But you guys, come on. Look at this. I feel like I'm gonna end up gearing towards doing a little something. And I just love the fact that it comes with a mirror like this. Look at that. Love it. So I'm just gonna do a dab here, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm going to, if I don't have a, oh yes I do, because sometimes if I can't find my concealer brush, I just use my finger. If you guys can see me, I feel like my head is cutting off, but let's see, hopefully that helps. Okay, so this is my concealer brush. I'm just going to take that and dab that onto my eyes. The one thing I like with this base from Morphe, obviously, yeah, it's a white base or whatever. They also have a black one, fun fact, which I'm gonna go back and get. But the one thing I like about this is that it's matte. Like it's like it dries as soon as you apply it to the skin. Like it starts drying, which I like. Boom. And then I'm gonna take Top Model with a different brush, and I'm going to put that also as like almost like a transition. Cut it off. I'm going to just tap as we can. Oh, this is beautiful. I love it. You did a good job with this, Kylie. I love the formula. The pigmentation is pretty good. Like I don't have to do too much, especially for a light shade such as this. It's doing the thing. Because believe it or not, like I understand you guys probably like, oh, like what is she saying? Like this is a white base. Like of course it's going to show up. But the weird thing is there's a lot of shadows that I've received from like kits, and like I've used the white base and it doesn't like show up like for light colors. So there's that. I'm looking for my setting spray. Oh yes, perfect. So I also have the Morphe setting spray. So I'm gonna spray down this brush, and everything always likes to fall at the same time. So I'm gonna spray that light pink. I think I'm gonna go with the light pink. And I'm just going to build that. OMG. You guys, I don't even know if the camera can pick this up. This is gorgeous. Take close to this, close the show, which is this gold. I'm gonna take that and put that on my tear duct. I think I'm gonna go over the tips, like right here, with Catwalk, which is this dark matte eyeshadow. Then no. But if you like frost, but then again, Kylie has a lot of matte shadow. Underneath my eyes, I'm going to take City of Love, which is this nice green in the middle. I'm going to put City of Love starting at my tear duct. I'm just gonna build that up. I'm gonna take Model Type, which is the darkest like shimmer. I'm gonna take that and put that at the end. And then you bring it back into City of Love. I love it. The one thing I like with Model Type though, it's very subtle. I'm just gonna finish the rest of my face. I'm gonna get my brow pencil and brush up my brows. And I'm going to fill in them a little bit. I'm gonna fill them in just a little bit. By the way, this is my NYX brow pencil, and this is in the color Burgundy. I have a perfect wig to go with this look. So I'm gonna change my wig to use a little bit for the skin, just a little few dabs here and there. And I'm going to blend this out with my foundation brush if I can find it. There it is. So just gonna blend this out. I normally use my Nars Concealer for underneath my eyes, but I'll use the Fenty one. I haven't been feeling the Fenty one only because like I notice it doesn't give me like the craziest bright effect. And sometimes I'm always looking for like a Kim K like under eye, like, you know, sometimes I really want it to be really bright. But I'm kind of gonna let this sit and marinate, because when you let it dry, it actually applies better. And I'm just gonna sharpen up the eyebrow. But you know, I got time to be looking for that, so I'm just going to be as gentle as you possibly can, because like you don't want to like mess up your under eye makeup. But you see how when you let it dry, it just snatches the face better. Now if I don't know if you can, if you go back to my other like videos, I have videos where I'm just doing my makeup, right? And you'll see me use my Fenty Foundation. I'll probably maybe link one down below, just so you guys can reference to what I'm talking about. And what will happen is, like, so I will be basically at like, I'll be doing this. I'll put on the makeup and I'll just put the concealer on right away and start blending. And you don't see this snatch look, like it doesn't come off as snatched as it does right now. So this is just proof of like letting it dry, how it looks when you let it dry. If I really want to snatch it more, I can take the concealer and I can sharpen underneath here, which is what I'm going to do, because I want to see like from an angle how I want the sharpness to be and where I want it to be aligned at. So that's just that. So there's that, and you just blend it out. You don't need this to sit or anything, because you're not trying to, like, it doesn't matter, like it's not going to like change anything or change how it looks just by you letting it sit. So you just do that. So this is the setting powder that I use. I'm just gonna take the same foundation brush that this is my favorite thing, and this is it right here. I love it, and you'll see why. I use it in almost every video. I don't know, like I just feel like it makes the bronzing that I do pop. Like it does something to my cheeks. It gives me a little warmth, but then at the same time it's still a little highlight, and I just love it. I just love it. So then that's that. And then for my lips, I'm gonna take my brown pencil. I just have like a regular brown pencil. I'm gonna sharpen it first. Let's go. So I'm really pleased to say that this is definitely CC approved. I approve this bad boy. It's super affordable. I'm going to put all the information down below, and definitely if you guys haven't already, check this palette out. Really beginner friendly, because like I said, it's very soft shimmers, and at the same time it's easy to blend and manipulate. So if you really enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys again for watching.
From the block, now we're sniping on the